Good morning, children. I hope you are enjoying the topic. The first type of simple machine is lever. Let us learn about parts of lever and its types. A lever is a simple machine. It is a rod or bar that moves freely at a fixed point called fulcrum to move a load. Look at this picture. In this picture, a girl is trying to move a heavy stone with the help of a rod and a small stone. The point on a lever from where we apply force is called effort. The point on the lever where work is done is called load. The point on the lever which allows free movement of the rod is called fulcrum. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Look at the pliers in this picture. The place from where we hold the plier is called effort. The place on the plier where work is done is called load. Look at the central part. It allows the movement of the pliers. This is fulcrum. The distance between the fulcrum and the load is called load arm. The distance between fulcrum and the effort is called effort arm. A lever is balanced only when effort multiplied by effort arm is equal to load multiplied by load arm. Greater is the distance between the effort and the fulcrum, greater is the load can be moved. According to the position of fulcrum, effort and load, levers are of following three types: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Look at the examples of first class lever. The place from where you hold the scissors and apply your force is called effort. The place from where scissors cut a piece of cloth or a paper is called load. At the center, there is a point which allows free movement of both the arms of a scissor. This is fulcrum. So, in the first class lever, fulcrum lies in between the load and the effort. Crowbar, seesaw, a pair of scissors, beam balance and pliers are the examples of lever of first class. In a second class lever, the load is found between the fulcrum and the effort. Wheelbarrow, nutcrackers and bottle openers are examples of lever of second class. All of them have load in the center. In a third class lever, the effort lies between the fulcrum and the load. Forceps, forearms means hands, spade and knife are examples of lever of third class. The short form of fulcrum is capital F. The short form of load is capital L. The short form of effort is capital E. In the first class lever, fulcrum lies in the center. In the second class lever, load lies in the center. In the third class lever, effort lies in the center. So you can learn it as FLE, flee. I hope the concept of lever is clear to you all now. Thank you, kids.